Made it out of March. We made it out of the first quarter. It's the first month of the second quarter. So I have some top crypto predictions for you for April 2023. We're going to talk about altcoins. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about some other major scenarios here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cover quite a bit of ground really quickly. So thanks for your support, and let's help you. Let me let me help you out. I don't know what I was going to say there. Lost my train of thought. All right, here we go. So let's take a look at top crypto predictions for April 2023. So the number one that I love is it's time for altcoins to outperform. Here's the thing. We have in the first quarter, Bitcoin was the story, right? Bitcoin just crushing it, 60, 70+% move up, 28,000 plus, kind of gave back some gains. Let's take a look at real quickly where it is at right now. Bitcoin is at that, I'll show you real quickly. Bitcoin is at that, 28.12 in the last 24 hours. We've gone all the way up to 28.5. It's $30,000 that it is that emotional, what I'm calling that an emotional resistance level you need to be aware of. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so it's time for altcoins to kind of step up because, and by the way the money flows is it tends to go into Bitcoin first, then flows to Ethereum, and then kind of altcoins. And so the fact that we had such a major push forward for Bitcoin, it really did steal the show in the first quarter, bodes well. There's a good word of the day, bodes well for Ethereum and altcoins to kind of start moving in the right direction. Okay. So again, so that's number one. It's time for altcoins to kind of step into or onto the center stage here and start moving. And so I'm assuming, and I know that you probably own some altcoins, right? We all do, Cardano and Polkadot and, Shiba Inu, whatever it may be, right? And so that's good news. Okay. So we're getting some good indicators that are showing that this could in fact be what we're going to start seeing in this quarter is altcoins starting to, to come into light. BNB, Binance Coin price prediction for April. We've got some surprises there. It could be moving, it could be moving up. The on-chain metrics currently depict positive price adjusted daily active addresses. Say that really fast. Divergence for BNB extended to the $420 level. Let's see kind of where BNB is right here, right now. Yeah, I mean, we're at 313. Okay, so we could see some pretty significant movement for that, as well as for Shiba Inu, we could see some significant movement around SHIB. It has a metric token aged consume. On March 20th, that metric spiked and showed one of the largest number of tokens being moved after being idle. And so the last time it did this was in January 9 of this year. And when it spiked like this, it went from, flat 5 zeros 9-1 to 4 zeros, 1-5. Okay. So another thing I need to make you aware of, kind of a crypto prediction scenario for April is we have the jobs report coming this week. And so that could be kind of a glass half empty scenario. I know it sounds counterintuitive or counter whatever it may be, but we need to see the jobs market cooling off. And right now it's been pretty hot in the last, January, February, March, right? And so the key is that we want to see that jobs report that's coming this week start to show some cooling, not growth, right? Okay. We also get the CPI report probably around the 14th or 15th of April. Okay. And we'll get the PCE report. These are all three inflation related reports. We are not going to have a Federal Reserve FOMC meeting in April. That's the meeting where they actually meet and they raise the rate or not. We're getting a break from that this month. So from a prediction standpoint, kind of in April, we've got our three and kind of inflation related events. Yes, they do matter. I know I talk about them a lot because I have to, because it is inflation truly at the end of the day. That's kind of the centerpiece, the backdrop, if you will, of what's going on in crypto, right? It's the event that creates unease and, uncertainty, right, in the marketplace. And it's uncertainty that kind of right now keeps crypto from really going forward. Okay. The fact that we saw Bitcoin do what it did in the first quarter, up 60, 70+% is absolutely fantastic. So now that if we can see per what we're seeing, we're seeing some on-chain data showing that it might be time for altcoins to kind of start flowing, which is usually how it works, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and kind of in that order. That's all good stuff. Okay, so there's you some crypto predictions for April 2023. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Go make some money. I'll see you.